Sewer Pros is a California state-licensed sewer contractor serving residential and commercial properties in LA and Orange County. We are proud to offer non-destructive and cost-effective sewer repair by means of sewer spray lining. Spray lining is the process of repairing sewer pipes by applying a resin to the interior of the pipe that cures, or hardens, forming a new pipe within your existing pipe. Unlike costly sewer replacement, spray lining only takes a few hours per pipe, is cost-effective, and comes with an impressive 15-year materials warranty. Did you know Sewer Pros is the exclusive contractor in Southern California for Repipe Lining Systems? Repipe's patented polyurea-polyurethane hybrid resin forms a pipe coating that is flexible and durable, allowing for the natural building and pipe movement that would cause most rigid epoxy coatings to crack, making Repipe Lining Systems' patented resin the preferred choice for spray lining and pipe coating applications. With our nimble spray lining equipment, we are able to line pipes from 1.5 inches to 6 inches in diameter, making spray lining the perfect no-dig solution for kitchen lines, branch lines, and pipes with numerous bends. When used in combination with our other pipe lining systems, we are able to structurally rehabilitate virtually every drainage pipe in your home or building without digging and destruction. The spray lining process begins with a sewer video inspection, followed by thorough cleaning and descaling of the pipe. Then the spraying head is pushed to the end of the pipe. The resin pump and sprayer is turned on, and the spraying head is slowly retracted as it applies the hybrid resin to the interior of the pipe, sealing any cracks or holes and forming a new pipe within your existing pipe. Lastly, a final inspection confirms that the repair was successful, and your drains are put back in service at the end of the day. Would you like to learn more about spray lining services? Visit sewerpros.com today.